In this lesson, we're going to talk about 7 things that every beginner guitar student should know. So let's get started. The first thing that you should know is how to hold the guitar properly. This involves sitting with good posture and placing your guitar on your right thigh or leg if you're right-handed, or on your left leg if you're left-handed. The neck of the guitar should be angled up slightly. Next is you should learn the names of the strings on your guitar. Now, there are 6 strings and we name them with numbers and letters. So the bottom string, the thinnest string, is string number 1. Next up here is 2, string number 3, 4, 5, and 6. It is important to learn the names of the strings because every time you're learning something to play, you'll often see instructions that tell you to play a specific string. Next is you should also learn the names of the frets on your guitar. The frets are numbered towards the headstock, towards the body of the guitar, with the first fret being nearest to the headstock. Another important thing for a beginner guitar student is to learn how to play tablatures or tabs. Tablature is a simple way of notating music for the guitar, and it shows you exactly where to place your fingers on the frets to play a specific song. Next is you should learn how to tune the guitar. This involves adjusting the tension of the strings to the correct pitch. There are a few different ways to tune a guitar, including using a tuner or by matching the pitch of each string to a reference note played on a different instrument. I'll put a video link on the description below on how to tune your guitar using the built-in tuner or using your smartphone. Next, in order to play the guitar, you'll need to learn how to strum. Strumming is the act of sweeping a pick or your fingers across the strings to create a chord. There are many different strumming patterns that you can use, and you can mix and match them to create a variety of different sounds. Finally, you should learn some basic chords. A chord is a group of notes played together, and there are hundreds of chords that you can play on the guitar. As a beginner, it's important to start with some basic chords and work your way up to more complex ones. I hope these 7 things have been helpful for you as a beginner guitar student. With practice and dedication, you'll be on your way to becoming a great guitar player in no time. So happy strumming, happy practicing. I'll see you in the next lesson.